Hi, I'm Ron, Technical Parts Representative for Polaris Industries. Today we're going to walk you through the installation of the heated goggle windshield bag. To begin, remove the 4 push darts holding the windshield to the unit. Once the windshield's removed, you can remove the storage cover and place the bag into the storage compartment, aligning the tabs with the holes on the unit, and then reinstall your windshield. We've now completed the installation of the heated goggle windshield bag. Please note that the cover removed is no longer needed. For more information on Polaris engineered accessories, visit your authorized Polaris dealership or Polaris.com.